pretty good clip.
Let's see what's happening. Take a look. Nvidia went down. Do you remember? What was the reason people take profit? Let's see Palantir.
And with that, knowing that this is nearing the end of Jerome
Palantir
Powell's
down.
term,
What do you
and
think?
it's
Can it go
become
up?
somewhat
What's your
embattled
opinion?
as he's reaching the end of his
And
term.
Alex
What do you think his
Karp, he said he's
legacy
selling
is?
his stocks. Let's see.
Well, I think that remains to be seen.
You see?
But
Can it go
he's a person,
back? Can
he
it go
reads
up
the
back?
news, and I think he's got to be very well aware
We'll
that,
see.
come
Yes, let's see what's
June
happening.
2026, he's not going to be the Fed governor anymore. He's got to be thinking about his place in history, and he's got to be thinking, does he want to be the Fed governor?
And what's
that
happening
let
with
inflation get out of hand twice? So I don't think
what's happening with
politics is going to dictate what
rates?
Powell is doing.
Sorry,
But
so
I
much
think
work.
the Fed
Yes, let's see
made a
rates.
policy error in 2021 and 2022. And I
What's
think they're
happening?
going to be very
Camera.
hesitant to make the same error in 2025.
Rates are
And we just have a little bit of
6.58,
time left, but
59.
what is your base case for the rest of the year?
See, 6.59.
I think that we're
5,
going to see
69,
inflation continue
59.
to stay high for the next few prints,
And
but I don't think that
6.7.
we're going to see it spike. We've had inventories be slowly run down, and the effects of tariffs are slowly
So we'll see what can
being
happen.
felt throughout the economy.
Let's go back
So
to
I do
stocks
think the
again.
Fed is going to be able to cut,
Palantir.
and I think they're going to be able to cut a few times, but I don't think they're going to want to
Let's
rush
see. Let's
into
discuss what's
anything.
happening in Palantir.
I think a lot
Yes,
of the
hello,
talk
hello,
on
guys.
the
I see everyone.
850
Yes, hi.
basis point cut is very,
Put
very
hi
far
in chat.
and I think
Let's
whatever
see
the Fed
what's
does,
happening.
it's going to be very
Palantir
cautious.
today went down.
Christopher, we appreciate you being
And
with
see
us,
what
taking
happened.
the time to do a Fed preview of
The
Jeff
pipe has
Powell with us.
reached
Let's get to
delusional
the
levels.
US economy
What do you think? Can it go down?
And thank all of you for joining us.
Yes, because some people, especially institutional investors, not people, institutional investors, big hedge fund, they take profit. Take a look. Let's discuss this article. They said that Palantir can go down even more. Do you have any open position, Palantir? Put in comments. When did you buy? How much is your average price? And what are you planning to do with Palantir? Yes, put in comments. Let's discuss it. Palantir stock falls after Citron Research cautious mention. Let's see what we said about Palantir. Because some said that Palantir is a bubble. Let's read. I think it's not bubble, but it's overpriced. But let's see financials. Palantir financials. TR. Let's see how much money they made and how profitable is it. It's very good. It's very profitable. Sorry, so slow. Let's see here. You see, Palantir went up like crazy. Why? Because we have good business model, stocks making a lot of money, the company, and projection is very good. We said Palantir will go up even more, 200. Right now, small correction. Take a look here. You see small gap. What do you think? Will Palantir close this gap? Do you see this gap? Put in chat. I see you see this gap, yes? Yes, chat is live. You can add your comments here. Palantir could close this gap. It will be 159, even more, maybe less. That's why if you'd like to sell options against Palantir, it's better to do it for this price, 155, 157. Let's see, for example, for September, sell single. We put here, or this calls cost 1900. It means almost 2000 because you always multiply by 100. Let's see, put 265. So you can get $265 here. Take a look. But if you would like to buy cheaper, for example, let's see. No, 160 is fine as well, because I think Palantir has to close this gap. You get in free 15 if you buy for 160. Put in chat, what do you think? Will Palantir close this gap? You see this small gap? This gap was on, take a look, August 4th, 2 weeks ago. Yes, this gap. So Palantir jumped from 157 directly for 171. Probably it will go and close this gap. That's why if you plan to buy Palantir again, it's better here. And I show you how you need to buy using option sell put. I see everyone in comments. Yes, use this option sell put. And if you buy 157, 154, it will be cool. After that, it's gonna go down up again because it's a stable company. Let's see Nvidia. What's happening with Nvidia? And again, use only good brokerage, Fidelity or Schwab. And I put links in description and below. Take a look. Never use some crazy companies because you can lose all money. Okay? Some crazy brokerage. No, only reliable with good reputation and that has a lot of money to manage. Yes, too big to fail. Here, and again, all information will be in description to this video. Nvidia, what's happening with Nvidia? Back trend, you see, just back up. It's not going up, not going down. Here is the support line. It will be here. Here is resistant. Nvidia cannot resist this line, but if it reach this line, it will go up more. Let's see, for example, 1 year. Yes, right now it's consolidation. You see this area consolidation. After that, it can go more. Can it reach 180, 190? Yes, probably by September, but again, depends here. Here right now, what's happening? Right now, it's a fight battle between sellers and buyers. Take a look here. It was a lot of buyers. Then sellers came. They sold it. Again, buyers, sellers. It's a battle, fight between buyers and sellers. Because some company, especially hedge funds, they close their positions. Yes, they take profit and close position. Let's see what's happening. That's why, yes, it's risky. Can it reach 200? Probably, yes. Let's see. Here's a support line. Here's a resistance line. So can it go up more? Yes, probably. Nobody knows details, but probably it can go more and more. But for now, it's just backside. So going up and down, go up and down. Let's see. For how long is sideways? Since again August 4th, sideways. Palantir went down that time, but Nvidia just sideways. Not going up, not going down. Just take a look again here. Here could be support line. You see 179. Here again resistance line. It cannot reach more than 184. No, cannot. You see. What does it mean? Here means a lot of sellers stay there. But if you buy long term for long, yes, it could be good stock. Then I see your comments. What stock should we discuss? VOO, I see. Team English, Team Spanish, I see. Hello, guys. Let's see VOO, Vanguard stock. To trade stock, you don't need English, yes? You just need brain. You have to understand English, but you don't need perfect English. Because how many people speak English perfectly, but they don't have money? They don't know how to manage money. Take a look here. That's why you learn how to manage money. Here again, VOO, Vanguard. If you buy here, it will be perfect. You see how it went up. Here again, what's happening? Consolidation. You see in this area, going up and down, up and down. It's again battle between buyers and sellers. Okay, support line. What number? 590 support. You see, 590 and resistance 595. Say like this. Will it go up? Can, yes, but to go up you need a lot of buyers. But again, let's discuss VO. It's a Vanguard. Each video we discuss it. It's ETF, 500 ETF. And how many percent they made? This year 14%. For last year, year to date, 10%. for last 5 years, almost 100%. What does it mean? If it's 100% for 5 years, how many percent a year? Almost 20. Almost 20% a year. That's why if you don't understand stock market, you don't want to analyze every day, just invest VOO. Put in chat what stocks do you buy, how much money do you make, and what brokerage do you use. I see in comments some people said Tesla. Okay, we can discuss Tesla, but Tesla, Bitcoin is very risky, first of all, and second, you can lose a lot of money. Yes, subscribe, give like to this video. We're going live every single day. Okay, it's a free, and we have free classes, free education, you can learn. Okay, let's go. Bitcoin, by your request. Bitcoin is very risky again because you can lose a lot of money. There is no financials for Bitcoins. How do you understand how Bitcoins go? It follows market. Yes, when market going down, Bitcoin going down as well. But here there is no so-called tangible product. You don't know. It's just financial product. And take a look in 5 years. Yes, a lot. 1 year, 96%, year to date, 24%. But I show you Palantir even better. In Palantir, you can make a lot of money. Take a look, year to date, 24%. Let's open Palantir. How much Palantir made? Even more. I think it's 70% year to date. 131%. Can you imagine? So investing in Palantir, you can make more money. And here, company that has product, contracts with the government is much more better. And let's see financials. Palantir financials. Take a look, revenue, 1 billion. Is a good revenue. Net income, 326, almost 327 million. Diluted EPS, earnings per share, 0.13, good. Net profit margin, almost 33%. What do you think? Is it good? Of course, it's good. Good company. Because, for example, let's compare a company that is very risky now and was losing profit. Apple. It's a magnificent 7, but still was losing. Why? First of all, because of tariffs. You see, year to date, Apple was negative. Right now, it's a little bit going up, but still it's risky. Let's see financials for Apple. Revenue 94 billion, net income 23 billion, diluted EPS 157. More, when you go on more than 1, it's not good. Net profit 25. Net profit margin less than Palantir. So Palantir is even better. Take a look, EPS, earnings per share, beat 9.48%, revenue 547. That's why if you want to invest, you have to understand financials. If you really want to invest, not just casino. Because some people use stock market as a casino. Oh, I buy something, maybe I'll win. No, it doesn't work like this. Better than go to Las Vegas. Here you have to see financials, how company work, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and if you have, of course, insiders information. Yes, put in comment what another stock. I see live chat. Cure Gray. I read your comments. I'm all in on Apple. Why do you think Apple is good? You think Apple will go up? Apple and Microsoft. Microsoft, yes, is very good company. First of all, Microsoft is stable company, and second is Magnificent 7. Let's see Microsoft. And Microsoft is not affected by tariffs. Let's see, year to date, 23% is very good, yes, 22%, not bad, but this year, 6 months, already 26%. I think Microsoft is the best. Again, let's repeat Magnificent 7 stocks. Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, what else? Amazon. Yes, Magnificent 7, that's why you can buy all of them and make a lot of money. Okay, so subscribe, give like to this video, Google Live every single day. You can learn for free how to make money, how to not multiply, how not to lose. And again, if you invest in crypto, be careful because you can lose everything. Because crypto market is very volatile. As I show you, you see here. Let's see, for example, if you buy Bitcoin a long time ago, it's fine. But here, can you imagine? You buy here 61%, then lose everything, 23,000. And again, Up and down, up and down. It's very risky. You can buy Bitcoin if you have just a lot of residual income, you have nothing to do, and you can gamble. But it's better to invest at good companies. There are a lot of good companies in US. We discuss Palantir, Nvidia, or just invest in ETF, 500 ETF. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video. We go live every day and share your experience. What do you trade? How much did you buy? Okay, see you, bye bye.